Submarines are not always equipped with red lights. In fact, they typically have a variety of lighting options for different operational needs. However, red lighting is commonly used in certain areas of submarines for specific reasons. Here are a few explanations. Preserving night vision. Red lights have a longer wavelength compared to other colors, making them less visible in the dark. When the human eye adapts to low light conditions, such as during nighttime operations or in areas where crew members need to maintain their night vision, red lights can help preserve their ability to see in the dark. Red lighting allows crew members to move around without disturbing their eyes' sensitivity to dimly lit environments. Concealment. Submarines often operate covertly, and the use of red lights helps maintain a low profile. Red illumination is less likely to be easily noticed from the surface or by other nearby vessels, reducing the chances of detection. It helps to keep the submarine hidden and maintain its stealth capabilities. Submarine interior design. The use of red lights in submarines also has a practical aspect related to interior design and human factors. Red lighting can create a more subdued and relaxed atmosphere, which can be beneficial for crew members working in confined spaces for extended periods. The use of harsh, bright lights can cause fatigue, strain the eyes, and potentially disrupt sleep patterns in an environment where crew members may need to work and rest at irregular intervals. It's important to note that different areas of a submarine may have different lighting requirements depending on the operational needs and activities taking place in those spaces. Submarines also have white lights, emergency lights, and other lighting options available for specific situations, such as general visibility, emergencies, or special operations.